Hey guys, it's Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous evening. Well, I sure am. I'm here camping at Indian River Campground and RV Resort, something like that. I don't even know. Hang on a second. Let me see what the name of this place is. I should get it right, shouldn't I? Indian River RV Resort and Campground. Because why? Because there's a lot of people here that have tents, RVs, and people like me. Not really, but van campers. I don't see any other van campers but me, myself, and me. There's my girl. How you doing? Yeah, you did great. Well, I'm going to give you guys a good idea of how we get this bed together for Cléms. As you can see, I've moved my jackets over there out of the way. This is normally my coat rack right here, but I've moved them over there. I've put her pony. What's your pony's name? Peanut over here because he'll be sleeping with Clem tonight. And we're gonna put the seat down, make up her bed, and show you what the van looks like for bedtime. So let me get into that real quick, and you can see how that works. How you doing, Clem? Nina's getting your bed all set here. So there you have it. This is how we do it. We basically just put the seat back. Hop up in here, Clem. You want to take your shoes off? There you go. Good job. Hop up here. You can go up that way if you like. And this is Clem's bed. There you go. There we go. See? So this is where her head is. Obviously you can't see it there, but she's got a lot of room here still. And this is a 3-inch foam mattress I had cut from the foam factory, and it works out perfect. So when she's not in sleep mode, I basically just put it on top of my bed for travel, put the seat up, bring her seat up out of the ground, and we're good to go. But I shouldn't say ground, I should say floor of the van, but you know what I'm saying, right? Anyhow, that is that. Simple, simple. Can you put Nina's pillow back up there for me? Thank you. Can you put it back up there for me, honey? Put that one right there. Just straighten it out. Thank you. And then straighten these out for Nina. And that's it. So this is our sleeping situation. Let me show you. So as you can see, we have plenty of room to sleep in here. The both of us. We're not cramped at all. It's amazing. It's really amazing what you can do with these vans. Clem's bed, my bed, and this is all the area that I'll have to work with this evening. If she needs to get up and use the restroom, if we don't choose to walk to the bathhouse, whatever. I mean, we've got a lot of room to work with in here. So nothing's changed. Just a little bit more is out because we're here at the campground. I did put my thermocell on in the van, obviously ventilated because I've got the doors open and whatever, but it keeps the bugs out of here. If you guys don't have one of those things, you've got to get one. I'm telling you that the cats meow. Thebomb.com, let me just say it, okay? There's Clem's life jacket when we go over to Lake Michigan tomorrow. Got to have that. I only have one of my window covers in. I didn't really see the need to put the rest in until we go to bed tonight. But yeah, everything's the same here. Oh, let me show you what I have in the door here. This is Clem's stuff. Just makes it easier so she can access her stuff, her swimming goggles. She's very independent, so I just say, put your stuff here, this is where it goes, and her little writing book, her earphones, her little McDonald's toy. This here goes to my cooler. I'm leaving it out here so I don't misplace it. I took it out to fill my cooler to the brim. That little cooler back here. Hey, lady, how are ya? Good. Yeah. This cooler right here, I took it out of here so I could add some more things in here for tomorrow morning for us. So my Coleman electric cooler, again, it's not a refrigerator. It runs 24/7 if I let it. I've had it on since about 6:30 and it's used 20% so far. This battery was at 100%. So this is where we're at now. And yeah, I'm gonna shut it off shortly. I've got 2 things in here of frozen chili on the bottom, so that's really gonna keep it cold through the evening. And then I'll put a blanket over the top of it so nothing escapes through here. And then this is just filled with a little bit of ice and some meat, some fresh turkey and things like that. But anyhow, yeah, keeping the van tidy is key. Clem has been having a great time keeping herself busy with her scooter. We've been swimming. She's been riding around on her little pony and just having a blast. Just having a blast. So all is well at the campground. Really enjoying this place. Really enjoying it. But anyhow, I just wanted to let you know that we are getting ready for bed. It's about almost 9 o'clock. It's 10 to 9. Here she comes. There she goes. She loves her pony. So we're gonna tuck in here shortly. Just wanted to show you what I have going. Keeping it tidy. Everything has a place. And when there are people in here, especially more than one, it's really important to keep everything in its place. This is Clemence's area up here. There's her snacks, her jammies, her hoodie for the morning. You just have to be organized. Let's go, Peanut. Let's go, Peanut. You've got to be ready and organized so when she gets up in the morning, she can just get up and do her thing. And that's her, her activity bag there. And nothing going on here. I'll probably leave her car seat out overnight and her shoes here. But that's it, guys. Everything's great. I just wanted to show you what we got going on in the van for this evening. It's all orderly. Everything's great. Looking forward to hanging out in the van tonight. You gonna watch a program?
Yes.
Yes? What are you gonna watch?
Spirit.
Spirit. What is Spirit about?
He's a wild horse and she doesn't ride with a saddle.
Oh, neat. And Clemence loves horses. Can you tell? Let's hear him. Does he neigh? Whoa. Good job, Clem. All right, everybody. You have a fantastic evening. We're going to have a fantastic evening, and we will catch you next time. All right. Until then, see ya.